Show you how to start a fire in wet conditions.
So on the bottom of this fire, I have a few dry logs sitting down. I put some shavings on bottom of that. Built a little log cabin, put some shavings on top. So when I light this, the embers should drop on top of the dry wood and create more fire for me. Instead of soaking in the moisture from the ashes below and putting itself out. And that's what it looks like when you light it. And this is what it looks like 15 minutes later.
About a half hour after lighting it. If you know where to look in the woods, you can find dry wood even in wet conditions.